Kamusta mga kabasketballista? Pinataob ng Iran ang South Korea 89-82. Pinangunahan ni Mayashiki Saja ang Iran sa kanyang 19 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman ng 16 points, 2 rebounds si Agajan Formatin. Bahide 14 points, Misam 13 points, Navid 12 points. Para naman sa natalong South Korea, Ragona 23 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 blocks. Yuhon 18 points, 3 rebounds, 8 assists. Tinalo naman ng Saudi Arabia ang Japan 79-74. Also, Willem Ibrahim ng Saudi Arabia ang nagtala ng 24 points, 21 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 blocks. Kadi Musab Tariq 16 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Bilal Fahad Al-Salik 10 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Para naman sa Japan, Emma Moraketa 14 points, 3 rebounds. Usukawa Kazuki 14 points, 1 rebound. Panalo naman ng Jordan para makapasok sa finals matapos pataobin ang Chinese Taipei 90-71. Pinangunahan ni Rondy Hollis Jefferson ang Jordan sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 block. Ahmad 19 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists. Mustafa Fadi 14 points, Bisay Sami 12 points. Para naman sa kupunan ng Chinese Taipei, Len Tengchen 12 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists. Yahoo Swan 11 points, 2 rebounds. At si Chon 10 points, 4 rebounds. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Isang dagger 3 naman ang naipasok ni Justin Brownlee sa 4th quarter para maibulsa ang panalo ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa bansang China 77-76. Humakot ng 33 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal si Justin Brownlee. Nag-ambag naman ng 13 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals si Scottie Thompson. John Marfardo 8 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. CJ Perez 8 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 block. Kevin Louis Alas 5 points, 1 rebound. Chris Newsome 4 points, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. Calvin Oftana 4 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist. Ange Kwame 2 points, 3 rebounds, 1 steal, 1 block. Para naman sa natalong China, nasayang ang 18 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals ni Roy Zhao. John Longzhou 10 points, 8 rebounds. Zelen Wang 10 points, 3 rebounds. Ho Ming Xuan 10 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists. Heto naman ang team standings as of October 4, 2023. Paglalabanan ng Jordan at Gilas Pilipinas ang first place. Pag-aagawan naman ng China at Chinese Taipei ang third place. Para naman sa 5th place, maglalaban ng Iran at Saudi Arabia. Habang ang ika-7th place, paglalabanan ng bansang Japan at South Korea. 9th place naman ang Bahrain, 10th place ang Kazakhstan, 11th place ang Qatar, 12th place ang Hong Kong, 13th place naman ang United Arab Emirates, 14th place ang Mongolia, 15th place ang Indonesia, 16th place ang Thailand. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong October 6, 2023. Para sa 7 to 8 place, maglalaban ng Japan at South Korea. Alas 12 ng tanghali, nagaganapin sa Xinjiang University Gymnasium. Maghaharap naman ng Iran at Saudi Arabia para sa 5th to 6th place. Alas 4 ng hapon, nagaganapin sa Xinjiang University Gymnasium. Para naman sa bronze medal, kakalabanin ng China ang Chinese Taipei alas 4 ng hapon. Nagaganapin sa Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center Gymnasium. Magtutos naman ang Jordan at Gilas Pilipinas para sa gold medal match ng 19th Asian Games Men's Basketball. Alas 8 ng gabi, nagaganapin sa Hangzhou Olympic Sports Center Gymnasium. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.